everybody. So it's snack time for me, yay! And I'm gonna skip off on the dinner. I'm just gonna have me a smoothie with some fruits and vegetables for dinner. So let me show you what I have. I have a Doritos beef stick. It's the sweet and tangy barbecue one. I have cranberry tropical juice. It's by Ocean Spray. It's 100% vitamin C. And I have Nutter Butters. So I got a whole pack of Nutter Butters, but I can only have 6. My sister said I can only have 6. So let's open them up and let's have a snack.